Why not?
Green papaya with tuna in olive oil.
Very good. Success! Wow, another successful dish na I haven't eaten for a long time. Long time.
Puno yung bibig ko.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Hi guys, another murang ulam. Green papaya with sardines. Oh no, I don't have sardines. I use tuna in can with olive oil. Tuna and olive oil. I use the whole can. And then as usual, our best tester is Glenn. I know he doesn't like tuna. Warm tuna. He only eat tuna, like tuna salad with mayonnaise or nothing. So we're gonna see what's his reaction with this green papaya with tuna. You ready?
I guess so.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna admit, I'm not a big fan of cooked tuna from a can, but we're gonna give it a try.
Well, ulam. Food in the province.
Not bad for tuna. Nice broth, oh. Very good.
At least you love the broth.
Wow, another successful dish na I haven't eaten for a long time. Long time.
There's the next.
Success!
Green papaya with tuna in olive oil. Thanks for watching Fluidity of Life.
Look at it.
Puno yung bibig ko. Bye!
Lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.